Welcome back to our channel. So today's recipe is
homemade zingi parcel.
Domino's style.
So let's get started. In a bowl, add 1/4 cup of warm water.
Make sure the water is warm and not hot.
Now we will add 1 teaspoon sugar and we will give it a good mix until it is dissolved in the water.
Add a teaspoon of dry yeast in the water sugar mixture and give it a good mix and keep it aside for 5 to 10 minutes until your yeast blooms out.
As you can see, the yeast is bloom out and we will stir it well.
Add a teaspoon of oregano.
Now we will add 1 teaspoon chili flakes.
Add some salt to taste. I am taking half teaspoon salt.
And mix it well.
Now add 1 cup of all-purpose flour or maida.
Mix all-purpose flour in the wet ingredient.
Now add some extra warm water as per required to make a soft dough.
As you can see, the dough is little bit sticky, so we will add 2 teaspoons of vegetable oil.
We will incorporate our 2 teaspoon oil in our dough. Till then our dough is soft and it's not sticking to our hands.
Use your hands to knead the dough for 5 to 10 minutes.
Cover a dough and rest it for 2 hours. Till then, let's prepare the paneer mixture and our alternative for harissa sauce.
In a bowl, add 2 tablespoons of hot and sweet sauce.
Add a teaspoon of peri-peri sauce. This step is completely optional. You can skip it as well.
Now add 1 teaspoon of mayonnaise.
Mix these 3 sauces well until they form one sauce.
Add 1 teaspoon of oreganoes.
Give it a good mix and ta-da, your sauce is ready.
To make the paneer mixture, first we will add 1 teaspoon kasuri methi,
1 teaspoon oregano,
salt to taste,
1 teaspoon turmeric powder also called as haldi powder,
half teaspoon garam masala,
1/4 teaspoon black pepper powder,
half teaspoon red chili powder,
half teaspoon chili flakes,
3 teaspoon of water.
Mix all the masalas with 3 teaspoons of water.
Add 100 gram diced paneer or cheese.
2 hours later.
As you can see, our dough is doubled in size after 2 hours. We will knead it with our hands for 5 to 10 minutes again.
Divide your dough into small portions to make your zingy.
Take a portion of dough and dip it in cornmeal and roll it on a parchment paper. We have to roll it just like a parantha.
It should be this much thick.
To make the shape of zingy parcel, fold it first in a triangle just as you can see above.
Brush some water at the edges of the zingy parcel.
Now add the sauce to the zingy parcel which we made.
Add 4 to 5 pieces of paneer mixture.
You have to put the paneer pieces in the center of the parcel.
Now you need to add garlic paste. It is totally optional.
Let's top our paneer mixture with some mozzarella cheese to make it a little bit cheesy.
Close the parcel as shown.
You can see our zingy parcel shape is done. Now brush some water on the top at the center and add some oreganos to make it look attractive.
Similarly, make the rest of the zingy parcel.
Bake your zingy parcel at 180 degrees Celsius for 15 to 20 minutes.
20 minutes later.
Ta-da! Our zingy parcel is ready.